मैं यह आशा करता हूं कि आप लोग सभी लोग स्वस्थ होंगे और खुश होंगे। और आप सभी लोग का स्वागत है हमारे एनसीईआरटी एग्जाम में। मैं अरुण कुमार जैन। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट। फार्मर यूजुअली टेक क्रॉप लोन्स एट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ अ सीजन एंड रीपे द लोन आफ्टर। ऑप्शन ए शोइंग, बी टाइलिंग, सी हार्वेस्टिंग, डी ऑल ऑफ एबव। So our answer is harvestings. Question number second. Credit sometimes pulses the borrower of the situations from which recovery is A. Easy, B. Hard, C. Very painful, D. None. Option is very painful. To a condition which are very painful. Question number third. Sometime lenders demand against loan A. Payment, B. Check, C. Draft, D. Collaterals. So answer is D. Collaterals. Collateral is a security which lenders demand against loan. Question number 4. Interest rate, security and documentations requirements and the mode of repayment together comprise what is called the loan factor, credit factor, terms of loans या terms of credit. Answer is D. terms of credits. Question number 5. Loans from bank and cooperatives are called mixed loans, term loans, formal loans या informal loans. C. formal loans. Question number 6. Loans from the money lenders, traders, employer, relatives and the friends are the called mixed loans. B. term loans, C. formal loans, D. informal loans. Answer is D. informal loans. Question number 7. The RBI monitors the banks are the actually maintaining cash book, cash balance, cash register या none. The RBI is the monitor actually the cash balance. Question number 8. Most of the informal lenders charge a less interest on loan, a much higher interest on loans, can be both A and B or none. Answer is A. much higher interest on loan. Most of the informal lenders charge a much higher interest on loan. Question number 9. The rich household are availing cheap credit from the formal lender, whereas the poor household A. do not get a loans, B. get loans at a much less interest, C. have to pay a heavy price for borrowings, D. none of above. C is the right answer. Have to pay a heavy price for borrowing. The poor household do not have papers and thus have to pay a heavy price for borrowing. Question number 10. Cheap and affordable credit is crucial for A. the development of urban area, the development of rural area, the country and above. The country of development area. Question number 11. About 85% of the loans taken by poor household in the urban area are from A. formal sources, B. informal sources, mixed sources or none of the. 85% of loans taken by the informal source are the informal source because they do not have the required document. That's why. Question number 12. Most loan from the informal lenders carry a very high interest rate and do little to do anything for the poor. B. pay the loans, increase the income of the borrower and none. The answer is the C. increase the income of the borrower. Question number 13. If It is important that the formal credit is the distributed more quality so that the rich can benefit from the cheaper loans. B. Poor can benefit from the cheaper loans. C. The women can benefit from the cheaper loans, and none. Answer is the B. The poor can benefit from the cheaper loans so that the poor people can benefit from the cheaper loan. Question number 14. Full form of SHG. A station house guard, state housing guarantee, self happy groups या self help group. The answer is D, self help group. Question number 15. The SHGs help borrow overcome the problem of lack of fund, lack of money, lack of collaterals या none. The answer is lack of collaterals. Question number 16. Everyone prefers so receive payment in goods, check, draft or money. Question number 17. When the both party agree to sell and buy each other commodity, it is known as single coincidence of want, double coincidence of want, या coincidence of want or none. Answer is the double coincidence of want. Question number 18. Money is something that can act as a medium or exchange of commodity, for exchange of goods, of exchange of transactions, none of above. Of exchange of transaction is right answer. Question number 19. In early age, Indians use grains and the cattle as money, food, public property or none. Money right answer. Question number 20. Modern forms of currency include grains and cattle, coins and paper notes, check and passbook or none. The modern forms of currency include coins and papers. Note. Question number 21. Which of the following banks issue currency notes on behalf of the central government too? The right answer is D, Reserve Bank of India. Question number 22. No individual in India can legally refuse a payment made in rupees. B, legally refuse in a payment made by check, legally refuse a payment made by the draft, या all of above. The right answer is option number A, legally refuse a payment made in rupees. Question number 23. Bank accept the deposit of customer and also give a gold coin in the returns, give a silver coin in returns, give a check book, pay an interest rate on the deposit. The right answer D, pay an interest rate on the deposit. Question number 24. Since the deposit in the bank accounts can be withdrawn on demand, the deposits are called A, smart deposit, B, quick, C, demand or all. The answer is C, demand deposit is the right answer. Question number 25. A paper instructing the bank to pay a specific amount to the person in whose name the papers has been made is called check, draft, payment slip. Answer is the check. Question number 26. Bank use the major portion of the deposit for the constructing fixed deposit to extend loan या none. The answer is option number C, to extend loan. Question number 27. Banks mediate between those who have surplus fund and those, option number A, who have fixed deposit, B, who have gold ornament, C, who are in need of these fluids, option number D, none. तो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी, हु आर नीड ऑफ दिस फ्लड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 28, द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दैट इज चार्ज फ्रॉम द बोरोस एंड what is paid to deposit it? The rate of interest, B, never equals, C, the main sources of income of bank, या none. Answer is option number C, the main sources of the income of bank. Question number 29, the agreement in which the lender supply the borrower with money, goods or services in return for the promise of future payment is called a loan, debt, credit, or all. Option number C, credit. Question number last or 30, in the rural area the main demand for credit is for house loan, B, education, C, crop productions, all the above. The answer is C, crop प्रोडक्शन। आप सभी का पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए धन्यवाद और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। धन्यवाद।